In this video, we'll talk about how to check for NaN, not a number, in JavaScript. If you're trying to use the loose or the strict equality, double equal sign or triple equal sign for checking NaNs, it's not going to work because there's a strange rule in JavaScript equality for this. So let's have a look at the loose equality, which is the double equal sign. So if you're trying to say not a number, if you're checking if these are equal to each other, you get false. So NaN means not a number. It represents an invalid or unknown numeric value. So JavaScript has a special rule, and that rule says NaN is not equal to anything, not even itself. So if you're doing NaN, if you're checking NaN is equal to NaN, you get false. And if you're trying to do the strict equality, you also get false with the triple equal sign. So strict equality compares type and value. But the special NaN rule still applies, and NaN is never equal to itself, so the result is also false. So then how would you check if if a number is not a number? In that case, you will use a special method. So JavaScript provides a special method to detect not a number or NaN. It's the number dot is NaN, so you're calling the method and passing the value NaN as an argument. Correctly checks for it. In this case, we are getting true. So you should never compare NaN using the loose equality or the strict equality, but rather do check it using the number method. And sorry, number dot is NaN. Thank you.